Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the volume flex in the iPad Air 3 tablet. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. Proper heating is the most crucial part of iPad repair. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets. Always heat the front side of the iPad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once heating is complete, place a suction cup on the side of the screen to lift it slightly. Carefully insert a few plastic car pry tools into the gap and slowly slide them around the edges to cut through the adhesive. This process takes time, so proceed with caution to avoid damage. Be gentle while pulling, as there are flex cables attached to the logic board. Once the screen is fully separated, carefully tilt it upward to a 90-degree angle from the top. Do not lift the screen from the bottom, as the home button and display cables are still attached. Handle the screen gently to avoid damaging the flex cables. While holding the screen at a 90-degree angle, carefully remove the two screws securing the shield. Then, disconnect the 4 connector plugs to detach the front screen assembly from the body. Handle the connectors gently to avoid damage. Now you can free the screen from the body. Next, take out the silver bracket by undoing 5 screws. Next, undo 2 screws on the side of the volume button flex. Gently pry the cable from the side bracket and then pull out the not working cable from the body. Next, place and secure the new volume flex in the body. Secure the button flex in the slot and then fasten 2 screws and the connector. Next, secure the shield by adding 5 screws. Next, secure the LCD assembly into the body by securing 4 connector plugs. Hold the LCD assembly at a 90-degree angle to prevent stressing the flex cables, and then secure 4 plugs to the board. This process can be slightly challenging due to the length of the connector cables. Try laying the housing to a 120-degree angle from the bottom for better reach. Make sure all connections are secured, and then add the shield by inserting 2 screws. Next, before clamping, it is good to verify the screen functionality. And then secure the screen to the body by adding adhesive. You can use B7000 or double-sided adhesive for this process. Start with securing the bottom section first, then move to the top. Simultaneously click the sides and bottom into place. Apply pressure to the frame sides and ensure the home button sits correctly and clicks precisely. Next, use screen bonding clips to tie the screen to the frame. If not, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.